In today's video, I'll show you how to calculate year-over-year growth in Tableau, a powerful way to track performance trends over time. Whether you're new to Tableau or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through it step by step. Before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick Tableau tutorials every week. Start by opening Tableau and logging into your account. If you're new, you can sign up right from the Tableau website. It's quick and simple. Once you're in, open the workbook where you want to calculate year-over-year growth. Now, drag your order date dimension onto the columns shelf. This sets up your time-based structure so Tableau can separate your data by year. Next, take your sales measure or any measure you want to compare and drag it to the rows shelf. Make sure your date field is set to discrete so that Tableau treats each year as a distinct category. Now for the key step. Right-click your measure, hover over Quick Table Calculation and choose year-over-year growth. Tableau will instantly calculate the percentage change from one year to the next, showing how your performance evolves annually. If you'd like to make it more visual, drag your order date to the color shelf to assign different colors to each year. This makes it easy to spot trends at a glance. Or if you prefer a more data-fimic view, drag the date to the label shelf so the YOY percentages appear directly on your chart. And that's it. You've successfully created a YOY calculation in Tableau. This simple but powerful technique helps you visualize growth and spot key performance trends quickly. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more fast Tableau tutorials like this one.